how to install a foam wheel on a kid's balance bike. Links below. This is the one from Amazon. It's like 20 bucks. I got my kid's balance bike. I replaced the tire, and then the tube started leaking, and then I replaced the tube, and then the tire started leaking. I'm just going to take a break from the rubber tires. Amazon has a foam wheel for about 20 bucks. Here's what it looks like. It's not bad. It's pretty stout, and it's all comes as one piece. There's no air or nothing like that needed. So you put it in, it mounts right up if you have a 12-inch wheel. It comes with hardware, and basically you just put the stud in like this, and then put the spacers in, and then the nut, and then you put the outside nut on to lock it all in place. I'll show you a close-up on how it's supposed to look. But once you get it in, tighten it down, you're pretty good. Get like a wrench or a socket and tighten the outside down. I think a wrench will be best because you got to tighten the inside nut as well. So I would go back and forth between the two sides and tighten them a little bit at a time. And then you want to tighten this inside nut too. And what you're trying to do is tighten the inside nut and outside nut together to clamp onto the bike so the wheel will be secure. And then your spacers go where the bearing is on both sides. And that's it, guys. That's what it's supposed to look like up close. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.